Hi beauties, welcome again to Hairstyles. Are you really looking for that hair that will make you look fresh? You know, this haircut today is ideal for you. All I want you to do is just to recreate the style we have for you with those beautiful haircut. You can see them coming in teeny weeny afro, coming in taper and boys cut. And one thing with the styles is that it's enough to really make that boldness and statement you want. I love this haircut because every woman really wants beautiful hairstyles that makes them stand out from the crowd. It's really a low maintenance style that will take many years of your age. So if you really want that haircut for beautiful black women that is sexy, that you can try yourself, I will advise you guys to please watch this video to the end, because you're not going to regret watching this video, because we have beautiful short hair ideas that are gorgeous for beautiful black women. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. One thing about this style is a style that will take many years of your age, and it's an easy haircut for the beautiful natural stars. So you can see I love this haircut because it's so beautiful, it's so simple, and what you have to know is that it's a quick and easy haircut for black women. So with this in mind, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. Let me know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate my beautiful women. God bless you guys. Stay locked to Hairstyles, and see you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet, oh. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. SublimeGospel.com. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach a breath of life. That's how I call my life. That's how you change my world. Just breathe your name upon me. Just preach your name upon me, reach. Oh, your name, what is your name, read, Lord. Just preach your name upon me, reach.
Yeah, just